Hi guys, welcome to our third video. In this video I'm going to take you through how to update information into the database. This is that video. We have done two videos, and the first video was for saving information to the database, and the second video was for creating this function for retrieving information from database. The links for the two videos are included in the description section, and you can find them there. So now I want us to continue to create a function for updating our information that is in database. And that is a database. We have created a database called LARAVEL, and we have table called articles. We inserted this information here, so we want to get a function where we can update these guys here. So let's go back to our VS Code and start creating our function. Public function, we'll call it update and data. Inside here you're going to use a request. Make sure you include the request there, a variable request, and then we are passing our ID here because we are updating information against this ID. So then from there we get a variable called article. We pass a model. This model we created in our previous video, in our first video. So we find function, we pass our ID here, and then terminate that guy. So we want to update name, so we write article. The first parameter is name. Uses equals to variable request out of function name, a variable article out of function description. It equals variable request out of function description. Then finally we save the new information, save function, and guys, you know what, we are done. Now let's get a response, a status message. So we just get the response variable, expect a message is equals, and data is updated successfully. I'm expecting to get a JSON response, so say echo JSON encode. It's a function. We pass a variable response here, and guys, you are done with that function. So let's go to our roots api.php. We get a root for that function. Here we are going to create roots. Put is the HTTP farm for updating. we say just call it articles slants variable. Now here we are passing ID, actually will be an ID like that, not variable. And then we are using this URL. I know. Oh, we already have it. You just come here and paste it there. Change this function name to updates and save. So, oh yeah, because we haven't terminated this guy. So let's go to our postman. Now here the route will remain the same. These are routes because our server is up. Our server is up running. So just come on the postman. What we are going to change this in this is get. No, it will be puts because we are updating, so we use put for that purposes. And then from there we are going to pass the last parameter here, which will be the ID. And you already know we have an article with ID 1. We just use them ID 1. And let's go to params. Our first parameter is name. The second parameter is description. The name, the value of the name will be here we see we have LARAVEL RESTful API. So why don't we call it RESTful API, and the other guy we call it PHP. We just remove LARAVEL PHP RESTful APIs and see. Now let's hit send and see what we get. We have error, and this error we are getting here is save. Just saying something now. Defined this line 27. Line 27. Oh yeah, should be R function. Should be R function. Yeah, good. Yes guys, we have succeeded updating our information. Let's go and see. Yeah, our information is well updated. So guys, thank you very much for watching, and remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Now the last video will be how to delete this record from database using RESTful APIs. Thank you guys.